Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix ShellExecuteEx Failed error while installing or opening programs in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select apps. On right side you just need to select advanced app settings. Choose where to get apps, click on this drop down and select anywhere. After that just close stuff here. Now you just need to right click on the program you want to open it or install it. Just right click on it and select run as administrator and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Second method, you just need to go to search menu and type cmt, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. You just need to wait for this verification to get 100% guys. After that you just need to copy these commands one by one. After finishing all these commands, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.